finally have a day off from work. Pretty day. Get out here on the water. The whole gang's here. Like I said, I haven't been on the water in, God, almost 2 weeks, I guess. So, I put another water pickup on the Blackjack 24, try to get it lined out to where it's picking up good. I'm gonna run the Recoil 2 with the 120 amp Spectrum. See what we can do with it. Got the UDIRC Arrow out. It's got a 40 millimeter prop on it. First prop that I sharpened and balanced. See what we can do with it. And of course the mini dime and the rescue boat. So hopefully, I have no idea what direction this video is going, but it should just be a fun day on the water, hopefully, and see what we come up with. All right, first one up's Blackjack 24. Let's see how this goes. Trying to see if we got water coming out. Water coming out that side. Water coming out that side. So that pickup's doing pretty good. Whoop. Whoopsies. All right. Rescue time. Bum bum bum. Die. $103, $101, $110, $115. All right, so new water pickup. I just bashed it around, just flipped it a few times. Had to go get it with the old rescue boat, but motor temps at 101 to 115 and ESC at 110, so it's doing good, and I ran it hard, so good deal. I love it when stuff works out. Testing the old Arrow, which, you know, I've modified this thing and it's on 4S, but the big deal is I could be running my first sharpened and balanced prop that I've done myself. Just, you know, if you're in the hobby, and I enjoy tinkering with stuff, and it's a little tedious, but I'm excited to try it out, so we'll see how it does. Right, 4S TFL 40-14 prop, I think. So we'll see how she does. Ooh, she's fast. Did a little barrel roll there. Dang. I sure do miss the self-righting feature on this boat. Let's go get her. Holy shit. What the? Oh my God. That was amazing. Now, how the shit did I do that? Ooh, she's moving. Kaploosh! Yikes. All right, recoil time. Gonna try it with this 120 Spectrum that I retrofitted and stuffed in it. The factory 100 amp ESC, it burned up. So had this left over from the Sonic Wake build. I'm gonna see how it does in here. All right, I guess we got an issue and I have no idea what it is. Partial throttle, boat runs, but as soon as you give it the juice, there's some weird cutout, like I'm on and off the gas. So that is a fail, I guess. I don't know. Open it up and see if I can see anything. I tried to recalibrate the ESC and it's doing the same thing, so if anybody has any idea why it would do that, let me know. I'm confused by it as well, and just unless this ESC does not like an outrunner motor, but I mean it's really weird. Get the mini dom out, see how this goes. I still hate that ESC and that recoil just didn't work. Baffled, but anyway, hopefully everything goes good with this little guy, and I'm gonna get some drone footage. Such a fun little boat. Oof. Being picked up, it's getting real choppy. This is such a fun little boat. I really enjoy it. Hilariously fast. Self-righting, tough as nails. If you don't own one, I'd highly recommend it. Whether you get it from Tin Shock or you get it from Oxdean, whatever. Yeah, thank you.
Something like that cost?
This one here's a little expensive. It was about $500.
Okay.
They make them of all kinds and different stuff, but no, you can spend anywhere from $150 to $1,000. Just whatever you want to spend, just with like any hobby. Whatever.
I would love it. That is nice. I didn't know what it was. We were driving. I was like, what is that?
Yes, ma'am. So I brought the whole gang out. I've got multiple ones. I'm just playing with this one at the moment.
Wow, that's nice.
Thank you. Wait, I think I lied to it. Well, I guess after I spent money on the prop and the batteries and everything, $500, but I think it was $404 for the boat.